Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Sticky fingers. So sticky fingers, a tendency to steal, a tendency to forget, a habit of interfere. Choose the appropriate word to complete the given sentence. The quiet corners of the library provide an haven for students who wish to study in peace. The quiet corners of this library provide dash haven for students who wish to study in peace. Tranquil हो सकता है maybe. Choose the correct word for bad or immoral behavior or habits. Bad और immoral behavior और habits क्या हो सकते हैं? Racky. Okay. उसके बाद the mermaid murmured that it has been very guilty for her to live far from human civilization. Most of the option. The mermaid murmured that it had been very guilty for her to live far from human civilization. That it had very this had been the mermaid murmured this had been very difficult for her to live far from human civilization. I received good concessions while purchasing a mobile phone. Spelling. I received good concessions. Identify the incorrectly spelled word. Okay. The dash of her apology made everyone forgive her. The sincerity. Lily said to her mom, they have been practicing for the concert. Indirect में बदलना है तो Lily told her mom that they have been practicing. Lily said to her mom. Lily told her mom that they have been practicing for the concert. They have been. Change this passive sentence to active voice. A masterpiece was created by the artist using just primary colors. The artist created a masterpiece. A masterpiece was created by the artist. The artist created a masterpiece using just primary colors. Her judicious act made him popular overnight. उसका antonym loyal, lawful, and wise. The alarm had been triggered by a small fire. The alarm had been triggered. The small alarm. A small alarm has triggered the. A small fire had triggered the alarm. All the guests I have invited to the movie screening have shown unwilling due to their business schedules. All the guests I have invited to the movie screening have shown unwilling. Had shown unwillingness. Have shown unwillingness due to their busy schedules. The news was dashed true to be true. The news was so true. The news was so good to be true. The news was too good. Strength का synonym. Power. A gentle song sung to put a child to sleep. Lullaby. He tried to ameliorate the situation by offering an apology. Reconcile. The game has played by all the students. The game has The students A. I don't get it with my neighbor. She is so rude. I don't get it with my neighbor. I don't get it with my neighbor. She is so rude. I am a difficult predicament as I have two offers at a time. Each item in this section consists of sentence with underlined word followed by a group of select the option that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word and mark your response. I am in a difficult predicament as I have two offers at a time. I am in a difficult having a soft spot for. The form will fill by you before the admission process. KIPS with its vast experience in school computer education, the Dash computer series Cyber Beans has designed the computer series Cyber Beans. This is the Dash comprehensive. This is the great. This is the most. This is the most comprehensive. This is the great. This is the great comprehensive computer series. Which is free from rote learning. Oh God. इसका क्या होना चाहिए था वैसे स्टिकी फिंगर्स का ईडियम क्या होना चाहिए था a habit to interfere sticky fingers sticky a tendency to steal yes a tendency to steal ठीक है next the quiet corners of the library provide and tranquil refers to the state that is calm peaceful and quiet tranquil and have it for students who wish then bad or immoral behavior or habits it is wrong बैड और इमोरल बिहेवियर और हैबिट्स को क्या बोलते हैं स्पार नहीं वाइस अच्छा स्पार मीन्स आर्ग्यू विद समवन इन अ फ्रेंडली वे अच्छा और वाइस मीन्स बैड और इमोरल बिहेवियर diatribe means a forceful or bitter verbal attack writing is funny or amusing स्पार का मतलब होता है आर्ग्यू करना किसी से इन अ फ्रेंडली वे वाइस का मतलब होता है बैड और इमोरल बिहेवियर और diatribe का होता है forceful और bitter verbal attack ठीक है the mermaid murmured that it has been yes यही सोचा था मैंने the mermaid murmured that it had been ठीक है सही I received good concessions while purchasing a mobile phone ठीक है concessions means something that you agree to do in order to end an argument The dash of her apology made everyone forgive her. Sincerity means the quality of being free from pretense, deceit or hypocrisy. Indirect में लिखना है Lily said to her mom they have been practicing for the concert. तो Lily told her mom that they had been practicing for the concert. Passive में change करना है The masterpiece was created by the artist using just primary colors. The masterpiece of primary colors was just used to create. The masterpiece just used. The artist created a masterpiece using just primary colors. The subject is artist, verb is created, object is a masterpiece, and the prepositional phrase is using just primary colors. ठीक है इसमें रूल क्या था To change the passive sentence to active, find the subject of the passive, then make it subject of active, then change the verb to the active voice form. Active subject plus verb plus object. Passive object plus verb plus by plus subject. The artist created a masterpiece using just primary colors. Her judicious act made him popular overnight. Her unwise, judicious means having or showing good judgment. Unwise. Okay, then change the given sentence to active voice. The alarm had been triggered by a small fire. A small fire had triggered the alarm. इसको हमें एक्टिव में चेंज करना था. All the guests I have invited to the movie screening have shown unwilling due to their busy schedules. Screening have shown unwillingness. So, this is also correct. The news was dash good. Too good to be true. Strength का power होता है. Synonym. उसके बाद a gentle song sung to put a child to sleep. Lullaby. Okay, उसके बाद जो laurel means bestow an award or praise in recognition of an achievement. Lyric means word of a song, poetry. Writer's emotions expressed through song or poetry. Lyre means a string instrument used in ancient Greece. ठीक है, laurel means bestow an award or praise in recognition of an achievement. He tried to ameliorate the situation by offering an apology. Foster, exacerbate. Ameliorate means to make something better or more tolerable. सुधारना. अच्छा, इसका हमें अपोजिट चाहिए था. Ameliorate means सुधारना by apology और अपोजिट होगा इसका खराब करना. Exacerbate. The game has played by all the students. The game has been played. The game has been played by all the students. I don't get at with my neighbor. The correct verb phrase should be get along. I don't get along with my neighbor. I am in a difficult predicament as I have 2 offers at a time. चलो ठीक है. 19 के बाद हमारा सीधा having a soft spot for being fond of. Having a soft spot for means to be particularly fond of someone or something. Okay, then 23. Tips. This is the dash comprehensive computer series. This is the most comprehensive computer series. Okay. Which is free from rote learning. ठीक है. While designing this series, a lot of effort has been put in to give each concept a practical shape. Okay, done.